If your keyboard is typing incorrect characters, it may be caused by wrong settings, software issues, or hardware problems. And here's how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, you can check the keyboard layout settings. Go to Settings, then go to Time and Language. Click on Language again, and make sure that the correct keyboard layout is selected, and remove any incorrect layouts. You can also go to Settings, find the Change Narrator's keyboard layout, and ensure that the correct input source is selected, and remove any unfamiliar layouts. If your keyboard types numbers instead of letters, check if the number lock is on. Press the number lock key to turn it off. Some keyboards have an app unlock key, and ensure that it's not activated. You can also run the keyboard's troubleshooter. For Windows, press Windows +I to open Settings, and then navigate to System. Search for Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Additional Troubleshooters and locate and run the keyboard troubleshooter. Select Keyboard and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. You can also try updating or reinstalling keyboard drivers. Simply right-click on the Windows logo and then select Device Manager. Now expand the keyboard section. Right-click on the keyboard device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and if updating does not work, right-click and select Uninstall Device and restart your computer. It will reinstall the drivers automatically. Then you can check for the language shortcut complex as well, and set the correct language in the taskbar or language menu. Restart your computer in the safe mode to see if the third-party software is causing the issue. And try connecting a different keyboard to see if the problem continues. If the new keyboard works, the original may have a hardware issue. And you can clean your keyboard to remove dust or debris and ensure that no keys are stuck or damaged. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.